Welcome to Casa la Vida, a breathtaking oceanfront setting within the acclaimed Punta Mita resort. Casa la Vida is sought for its location on the shores of the Bay of Banderas. The designer appointed a 6-bedroom residence with a 180-degree ocean view. Located in La Punta Estates, gated community within Punta Mita, this 10,000 square foot oceanfront villa boasts 6 bedrooms, all with en-suite bathrooms, infinity pool and outdoor common spaces. Expansive sliding glass walls seamlessly blend the outdoor beauty with the interior space. Whether you're envisioning a private retreat or an investment opportunity, Casa la Vida offers a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. That was all for the video. If you'd like to receive more information, please contact LPR Luxury, real estate agency located in Punta Mita. This was brought to you by Luxury Films. Thank you so much for watching.